Where do you come from?
Singapore.
Singapore. Okay, going this way. So here that you can see their plantation first, and then down there you can see the process how we make coffee, and then in the end that we have the swing that you can have a look. Maybe you wanna play our swing as well.
Okay.
Yeah, so start from the first one right here that we have here lemongrass. Yeah, then we make some tea here with the lemongrass that you can try later. It's very good when you get like a sore throat and a stomach problem. Smell it. And here, we have your coffee tree here.
Okay.
Yeah, that we have like a two kind of the coffee here. That we have here Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee. So the small leaf like this is the Arabica, and the one that more bigger leaf is Robusta. So for the coffee tree, they will start to be flower first. Then after the flower, they will come to be like this.
Okay.
But for the beans, that we need to wait until they are more bigger and then turn to be red color. So when they are turned red, that we can have this. Yeah, and then here we have the animal here. Do you know the story about the Luwak coffee, right?
Yeah.
Coffee that comes from India.
Yeah.
So that's the coffee machine to look like. The coffee maker, yeah. So we call them Luwak here, Luwak. That's the name of the animal.
Honeymoon time when you lucky, sir.
Yeah, they making love.
Yeah.
Did you try before the coffee?
Yeah.
Here, and the cool inside.
Okay, this is the poop.
Yeah, this is the pool to look like. So we need to dry like this first, and then we wash by hot water.
Okay.
Yeah, we peel it the skin, we wash it again, and we process in there. But it's not only coffee that we have some spices here that we used to make like a herbal tea.
Herbal tea.
Yeah, that you can try later. And this we have there cinnamon, ginger, mango green, and that's the process in there. The how we make it here. So all done by hand here, like on a machine. Everything was manual. But we roast it like that first. Like 1 kilo of coffee till 45 minutes to become like that color. Do you like coffee? You can try this one to eat it. It's like a peanut.
Yeah.
And the last process, we stick here, like a sifting the coffee to get a very fine powder. And the powder is most ready to use. That we put 1 teaspoon in hot water. That's it. So no filter or any machine to make it. It's manual. Just put 1 teaspoon of the powder, put the hot water, stir it, and then you wait.
So you roast with the.
With the firewood, so the taste is more better. I mean, it's not. I'm not so.
Slowly cooking.
So that you can have a seat first down